hopping out of the shower with no warm-up. First take, baby. What's up? I'm TJ Woods. I also go by Afkai. Today I'll be showing you a little bit about chord melody and what got me started. I took a lesson from a guitarist named Melanie Faye, who you might have heard of. She's a amazing neo soul R&B guitarist. You should check out her song, one of my personal favorites, It's a Moot Point. But she told me, I was asking her how to get started with chord melody because she does a lot of cool stuff. She has a video about the tennis, what is it called? The something number system. I think it's the Memphis number system. Anyway, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But she had me start with a jazz standard called Misty, and basically it's playing the chords while having the melody inside the chords, like that's all in the E major. And the key things here are the upper notes are usually what poke out the most. And it also has an innate melody, but it's just about hearing that innate melody. So I want to start off pretty simple, just like the top note of the melody. So let's take a 2-5-1. We're in the key of E flat. So the 2 here would be F. The 5 would be B flat. I know what notes are. And then the 1 is E flat major 7. So let's just take the top notes. These aren't the roots of the chords. They're what we hear most prominently, the top notes. So that's the melody right there. In this case, for the 2, that's that A flat, F, A flat. A flat is the 3rd of that chord. And here we have the 5th, which is B flat, and that the 3rd right there is D. And then E flat, that's G, which is the 3rd of E flat. So you're hearing the 3rds come out. So basically what this is saying is top note is what matters. This takes a little bit of music theory. Shh, kitty, I'm recording a music video. One of my favorite licks to do, I'll stay in the key of E flat. I do this. I play in a gospel band, and we have an organist and a keyboardist, so they're already playing a lot of notes with really dense chords. So there's no reason for me to play all those notes. So I'll pick out little licks, top line melodies. My favorite one right here is just this double stop slide back to the 1. So this is E flat. 2 things to think about here are so in the 2 we're playing the 2 and the 4, which is root 3rd, and then here we're playing the 5 in the 3 and the 5th, which is again root 3rd. This is all you need to do to establish tonality, is play the root and the 3rd. My favorite things to do. That's not really that advanced. It's right here we're playing a major 3. The G is a 3 in the key of E flat. So G, B, and instead of G, B, D like that, we're gonna play the 7. That F right there, which is a flat 7, so that's a dominant 7 chord. Now what does this have to do with the song at the beginning? This is just getting you a little starting point before you start jumping into these 7 chords. And the cool thing about this shape right here is that you can move it around and make your own percussions with it. Try to take this stuff and fit it into your playing to see what you like. So and I'll just resolve that for you. E flat. Alright, so now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, just getting you to the building blocks, try to don't want to clickbait by showing you that beautiful song that we never get to learn. So I'll try to quickly go through how I learned Misty. So we're just going to start at the top and rake our way down. Go back up. Do that C bar. Up here on the hammer, up here on the 8th fret. first string of the beat. This A major 7. Then we're gonna go 5, 6 on D, 5, 8, 8. And this is pretty easy. Just bar these 4 frets. Bar starting on the D string. E flat again. Slide up with your pinky. Pick the top note. That C. Hammer on the 10th fret of the G string. Play it at F minor 7 and just pick. Do a string skip. B flat. Dominant 7. Hammer on with the pinky right above the middle finger. And pick the next string. G. Just use the same grip. G. C. F. B flat. Then your E flat major 7. Now just run through it one more time. Really slowly. It goes on with some more variations, but that's basically how I got started in being able to just like throw chords in with my playing. I don't actively think about it. I just pretty much listen to what function the chords serve. If this video has helped you at all, I wouldn't mind if you left a little like, subscribe at the bottom. It'd help me stay on your feed a little bit or whatever else you're listening to, just in case I bring you some tips that might just help you out a little bit rather than a professional trying to explain to you. Someone who learn guitar on YouTube might be able to reach you better. Please. I don't want to move too fast with this, but we can. Just press that like button or subscribe.